Kitchen safety, taking cover. Hi guys, Josie here, Sari Flavors. As you can see, I'm holding a stove covers, alright? And I always use this to cover the burner, to make it look pretty. And I always use this, when I do the open for my show, Sari Flavors. But then, one day, this happened to me. I really wanted to use this burner, so I turned the knob, I turned it on. Didn't realize that I turned this burner on. So what happened? I just burned it. And it's very dangerous. So if you're cooking, make sure that you remove all of these covers completely and then let the stove really cool down and then you can put it back on. Okay? Thank you. Bye.